Hi there, Gemma from Xobuya here. We are going to show you how to accept the quote and take the deposit payment in the Xobuya app. The cool thing about this is it can be done at the time of quoting if the client is happy to go ahead on the spot, or over the phone if they need some more time to make a decision. We update the app to reflect the client has accepted the quote by clicking Accept. When you click Invoice, this sends the invoice to the client and, more importantly, sends the information to Xero and does your accounting for you. An email is drafted with the invoice and once again in the click of a button is sent via email to the client. Now you need to take the payment for the deposit. Select your method of payment, and if you have previously saved credit card details for the client, you can choose to charge the card. If not, simply add credit card details. The app drafts an email with the receipt for you to send straight to the client, and a task has been assigned to the sales rep to let them know to place the purchase order for the items on the quote.